Hello everybody, it's Matarasu, and welcome back to our Terraria Master of Vengeance Ultra Modded Let's Play. Now, off camera, I went and semi-organized all of our chests. We have a decent chunk of loot. Not many ores. We have some stuff, but not much. We really need to go still down mining and all that. Now, last episode, I said that I wanted to take on the Grand Thunderbird. So, that would require us going to the desert and building our arena, whatnot, and then actually making the summon for the Grand Thunderbird, which we just need talons right now because I have all of this, and I can make... It's down here. Yeah, arcane dust. We can make all of the arcane dust that we need. And I already have some somewhere in one chest. So we just need talons now from vultures. So if we come down over here, I also upgraded all of our regular healing potion, or the lesser healing potions that we had to regular healing potions. While we're coming over here, might as well chop down some trees so that we can. So we'll head right over here. Before I take it on though, I would like to go into the jungle since we have a little bit more defense and whatnot. I'd like to go into the jungle and see if we can hunt for some life crystals. Things just running away from me. I'd like to get. I would like to get a little bit more life because we're only at 140. Minus the 14 from the shield. So would like to get that together. While we're here, we can also farm up the talons that we need. I'm thinking maybe we also hunt for the boomstick. That would be a nice little addition to our arsenal. It would also allow us to get the arms dealer to move in, especially since this character is supposed to be focused on guns, but we have yet to find a gun exactly. I think that would be nice. Now, I'm not actually sure what's the best way to build an arena. I'm just gonna build an arena how I remember them being built. I'm sure anything really is going to work rather than just being on this flat sand. Not flat sand. I cannot hit him. There we go. Okay. Sure, anything will be better than what the biome is currently. Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay, that's great. We actually need to kill these things. These things drop sturdy fossils, which are the material needed to make the fossil armor. So the more of them we kill, the better. They just... Okay, he's doing a lot less damage than I thought he would. In the other world, we took a lot of damage. Like a lot. So, there we go. Oh, what did he drop? It is spark. You want taking damage releases a blast of sparks? Okay. Well, we can equip that for right now. I think that's good enough. Maybe we will also find a cloud in the bottle. That would help tremendously. Have we actually found the jungle yet? No, we have not. So, imagine it might be somewhere that way. Alright. Grab this star real quick. We can okay, so if we lose our spatial disc, we can make another one. So, I think we're gonna go ahead and make the Grand Thunderbird summon. Need can find my materials chest. Not wood. Those. Iron. Come to our anvil. We should. Yeah, there it is. Grand flare gun. Make 5 those for right now. And we're gonna put this back up in our piggy bank just real quick. Back for our materials chest. And back in here. Alright, so I think our main goal is going to be finding some life crystals. So I might actually go back down here and keep exploring. What is that? Actually, you know what? I may just... yeah, I'll just go this way. And hopefully we'll find something past the Crimson. I don't know if it's a smart idea to do this at night. But actually, yeah, I'm just gonna wait till morning. That way I don't have a bunch of demon eyes and whatnot on me. And in the meantime, I'll just light up the area around my base. Alright. I'm gonna be honest. I have no clue what's going on here. I went AFK for a little bit so that it could turn day and came back and this is happening. Also, this is the deviant. And it allows you to summon random creatures? Okay. Anyway, now that it's day, we'll head over to the Crimson. No clue what's going on over there. I'm just gonna leave it, honestly. We'll head over towards the Crimson, and hopefully the jungle's on this side. I just have a feeling it is. I've honestly forgotten the world generation completely. Like I was literally monitoring the oceans to make sure they generated correctly, and then everything else left my mind. This actually does quite a bit of damage. The little... whatever, the Amidius spark, however you say that. I don't know. I thought I could just walk through this and just spew sparks everywhere and not take damage. That's funny. Okay, so we have another desert over here. Corrupt desert. Well, I'm curious, does this actually change the cactus? No, it's just cactus. I don't know what those, like, I don't know if those perforators. Oh, yeah, we don't need to be touching that. That's a boss summon. Yeah, here we go. The jungle. Oh. This gives me slight flashbacks. Hopefully it's not gonna be too difficult. Oh, bad these menus are gonna be. They're not looking too bad now that I have some upgraded weaponry. I don't know if I want to go in from there. I want to go in through like mid-jungle. Oh, wait, okay. So I think... huh. Let's go down this tree. We'll go down the tree and see where it takes us. That's just asking for death. Oh, it's a giant hive. Okay, well, let's just rope out of here. That real quick. This is why I bring rope with me everywhere. maybe, just maybe, right here, we'll finally find our entrance. I'm gonna take a safe bet and say yes. Alright. We have our first chest already. Over here. Golden. We can pray for the boomstick. It's all boomstick and life crystals. That's all I'm here for. Any other ranger items would be appreciated, but that's just the main. Boomstick? No, we have the digester. We have a honey dispenser. That's nice. Yeah, we'll just keep going. Down here. That. I guess this way? Potentially? I guess not, actually. You can mine down just from here. There's minecart tracks. Okay. Oh! What is that thing? Oh, I'm confused? And it... Okay. Well then. That was something. I'm going to wait till day again, as I just don't want to deal with that, to be completely honest with y'all. I do not want to deal with that at night. Alright, so I know I said I was just going to wait for it to be morning, but I had to go do something real quick. So, off camera, I came back and I just added a little bit more housing so we could get... Oh, okay, we have the zoologist now. The traveling merchant has stopped by as well. Is there anything we want to buy? No. Doesn't look like there's anything we want to buy from him. I'll see what the zoologist has. Second. Alright. Prevent you from hurting critters while in inventory. Okay, that'll be good for... Squirrel hook? Huh? Kinky. Use to let a cat arrive in town. Okay. Alright. I did not mean to buy that, I'm gonna be completely honest. Alright. Koi kite. Catch tree. Alright, well. We'll see what the star merchant has as well. Where here. Up. Would be an upgrade. Not auto swing, so. Alright. I go throw this back up in here, and we're gonna head to the jungle again. Are there any more NPCs that I've met the conditions of? I don't think so. Alright, well, we're back down here, so hopefully we can find a few more goodies. Did I even notice this house last time? It does have a I don't think I noticed that the last time. For this mini yeah, I need to try that. Don't try me. Oh, Hermes boots. Oh, big. Actually big. That kind of hurt. That also kind of hurt. Okay, we have another little building here. And mine down into. Oh, hey, the skeleton merchant. There's quite a few gold right here as well. Evergreen. Okay, it's better than our axe now. And the fiberglass fishing pole, which is great. I love to see that. What do you have? Alright. Strange brew. Wooden arrow. Purple counterweight. Bomb. Calcium potion grants immunity to fall damage. Actually gonna buy a few of those. Carton of milk. Increase life regen. Trapper. Aw. I'll take it. Salamander eye. Life curry increases by 1. Overtime up to 2. Wishbone enables all minor seasonal events for 1 day. Did I accidentally use that? I think I did. No, I sold it back. Okay. We're gonna keep that because that'll enable. That's from Consolaria, so that'll enable like the Thanksgiving event, all that stuff. All right. So we're also gonna buy a few of these strange brews just in case I do some mana stuff. You know, it's always nice to have options available. You know. Rope back up here. I'm actually gonna place all of these iridescent bricks back down just in case we decide we want to come back and harvest those for a build. Throw any away. There was some ore down there. Go for what? Can't tell what ore it is from right here, but probably something we can use. That's a man-eater. Place a torch. So I can actually see, you know? Oh, there's a life crystal right there as well. I didn't even notice that. Alright, perfect. Life crystal and silver ore. What is that thing? That's a mahogany end. Okay. Indigo. Ooh, this is not good. Not good, not good, not good. I don't know where I'm at, so we're gonna use that, and then we're just gonna tunnel this way. There we go. There's a chest over here that I would like to grab. That kind of hurt. Oh, there's so many piranhas. Oh, and I dropped 15. I forgot I had so much gold on me. Alright, well, that gives us a chance to come back here and deposit all of this. I'll throw the Hermes boots on. What does this do again? Take damage when they touch me. Didn't say how much. So, oh. Why are there so many crabs coming? I don't understand where they're coming from. Is it just crabs? I wasn't paying attention to the man-eater. So... the dye trader has arrived. Okay. I thought the dye trader came only after I defeated a boss and found a... whatchamacallit? Found a dye. Send it. There's so many!
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Jungle bats, I swear to God, are the bane of my existence. And I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I mean, I've been using a whatchamacallit, a calcium potion, so that I'm just not taking fall damage. I can't see what I'm supposed to be shooting at. Gold. Gold. Get. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't see it. No matter how bright I turn up this game, I just can't see. Alright. So, a lot happened. I upgraded to silver armor. So this will give us total right now we have 30 defense. I opened that crate, got a tsunami in a bottle, so we have a double jump. Crafted a grappling hook. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. The silver armor gives us 2 seconds after getting hit for 20 or more damage, you heal for 10. And I'm pretty sure this boss is going to do more than 20 damage in a hit. So hopefully that'll help quite a bit. Also, I didn't know that when I'm alt-tabbed, time in the game doesn't pass. I didn't know that. And so, what's going on here? Anyway, I sat here for like 15 minutes, like waiting, watching a video, and time just, it just didn't pass. And so, I came back to the game, and decided I was just going to go do a couple things around the house real quick, and came back, and all of the NPCs were down here, huddled in like this room, and I was down there. But I was up here when I left, and turns out the Eye of Cthulhu spawned and just wrecked me while I was AFK. So we're gonna get these potions. Get a grapefruit as well. I'm not really sure what else we can get. Let me just. What other potions would do us good currently? We have a regen, we have a swiftness, we have an iron. I guess an archery potion. Needs Daybloom and Lens. So we'll get a lens. I can do that. A bottle and a Daybloom. I'm gonna fill this water up after I see what the traveling merchant has for sale. Ooh, actually, I'll buy a few of these pad thai. Not really much that, not really anything that we could buy besides that pad thai. Where's the nearest water? Gonna be that love struck. You were in love. Okay. Divination. Oh, I got a present. Okay. Go throw that up in my thing right here. I don't know why it does that. Okay, so plan is go fill this with water. I think the nearest water source is over here in the cave. We're gonna go fill it with water. Get the archery potion, and then go and take on the Grand Thunderbird to hopefully defeat it. If we can, we'll take it on multiple times and, you know, go from there. If we can't, I don't know what we're gonna do, to be completely honest. I'm just kind of banking on the fact that we'll beat it. Put that back in there. Yeah, I'm just kind of banking on the fact that we'll beat it. I have my 2 cannon. I'm also gonna get the squirrel, because I can have the 2 cannon and the squirrel at the same time. And the squirrel, while it might only do like 5 damage, damage is damage. And any damage is going to be decent damage as long as, you know, it helps. Oh, we had archery potions. What else could we potentially? I think that's gonna be about it. So, go ahead and run over to our arena. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be. I think these are gonna be like our best bets currently. I'm hoping this 214 health is going to be enough. I'm just hoping, because if it's not, I don't know. I really want to beat it right now. I can't see. Okay, so just oh, okay. How much health is it? It has 2,000 health. Okay. Well, the web gun seems to be working fairly decently. Okay, wait. This is actually possible. This is no. I say as we immediately just start getting bombarded. The web gun is actually doing wonders. I need to skip through that. Okay. How much damage do we do with this? Okay, he did a fair amount to us just then. Okay, this is much easier than I thought it was. Even in Master of Vengeance, this is a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad we built the arena though, as this is so much easier than I thought it was going to be. Why was I worried? We even have our rage and adrenaline, which we're just gonna utterly destroy it. Oh, bye, I guess. Okay. Well then. Oh, we didn't even buff as well. We're gonna do this again. Get our buffs in real quick. I honestly don't know why I was worried, because like I don't even have to worry about the little tornado things, because they just, you know. All right. Drop down to the second layer. And it's dead again. Oh, okay. Yeah, we did get the Master Mode drop. There we go. Storm Cloud. And we got the trophy. Great. Someone's a pet cloud to follow you around. I like our little guy better. Maybe we can take the Eye of Cthulhu as well. I don't know if that's a stretch. I don't know how much more difficult the Eye of Cthulhu is supposed to be than the Grand Thunderbird, but I mean, maybe we could take it. I'll see what it takes to craft the summoner in just a minute. Oh, I got another storm cloud. Nice. All right, we probably have time for one more. I don't even really have to worry about his attacks hitting me. Cause like, I still do heal a little bit. Wow. Alright. Let's the Grand Thunderbird beat 5 times. Open our boss log. Alright. Well, let's open our, or let's go back home first. And we'll quickly just put everything away that we can. Put all that in there, put that there, put that there. I didn't even have to, I didn't even summon that. Alright. Well. Wow. We didn't get a single. Okay, we got I was about to say. So he drops a bow, but I don't think it's any like very good. What can we make with the sandstone? We can make a sandstone bow. Armor is a throwing class armor. Technique sprint. Select your active technique to use full throwing damage. Throwing damage to build points? Okay. Huh. Well. 13 damage. This is also 13. But this is because this is nasty, so it gets an increase in damage. Neither are auto fire. 16%, 18% crit, but that also gets a, yeah. So this is only 8 at an anvil? Alright, well let's see if we can get, what do you have for sale real quick? Nothing of, so if we come here. Okay. Extremely weak knockback. This has no knockback. So I think I'm just gonna do that. Just because it has a little bit of knockback. Well, the Desert Acolyte's here now. Okay, great. What do you have for sale? Sorcerer's Staff, a yo-yo, Cactus Fruit. The status effect debuffs upon consumption. Potent Extract. Don't do drugs, kids. Okay. You swallow it. Enemies killed by your throwing damage drop up to 2 additional silver coins. Huh. Added grip. Acolyte. Garb. Alright. Well. I'm pretty sure Mystic is the best. We'll sell all of those, and then we'll sell those. Alright. There is the bosses for this episode done. I think I'm gonna call it there, honestly. Next episode, we will hopefully take on the Eye of Cthulhu. I definitely want to grind out the Grand Thunderbird just a little bit more. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next one.